In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add a custom name tag in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox Studio and load the game where you want to add the name tag. Once the game opens, head over to the toolbox on the left hand side. In the search bar, type custom name tag and hit enter. From the results, choose the one made by creator Mana Boy. Go ahead and insert it into your game. After you confirm, you'll see a new file appear in the Explorer panel. Now we just need to organize it properly. Open the drop-down and find the name tag script. Drag that into server script service. Next, tag the actual name tag object and drag it into server storage. That's it for setup. Go ahead and restart your game, click play, and you'll see a name tag appear above your character's head. If you want to customize it with your own username or any text you want, it's easy. Go into server script service and edit the part where it says set the name, type in your username or custom text, hit save, and then play the game again. Now, when your character spawns, the custom tag you set will appear right above them. And that's it. This is how you can easily add a custom name tag in Roblox Studio. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.